whatever we do, we gotta avoid that rock when we go there. Go ahead, guys. 4 forward, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy. Alright, let's go 4 more, guys, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Boy. Look right towards the front of the boat, you can really see it everywhere. There's this dark sheen that covers the walls here. You may be asking yourself, what the heck? Why is it so dark and not as red, as the surrounding environment? Well, it's a great question. We call that desert varnish. The way it's formed, it's actually pretty neat. It starts with, it'll rain every now and then out here, believe it. And when that rain comes, it goes down these canyon walls, which are made of sandstone. Sandstone being very porous kind of absorbs some of that water into it. And while it's absorbing that water, it also absorbs a lot of minerals from the sandstone in with it. Kind of gets diluted. Then sun comes out kind of like it is today, pulls that moisture, that liquid to the surface along with those minerals that proceed to oxidize and then create this desert varnish, also known as manganese oxide. So it's kind of like a rust almost.
I think I see roller marks in that varnish.
He does? Says who? You gotta do something for the camera. You gotta do like a
Yep, full backflip.
No, I can't do one.
You can if you
It'll be fun watching you turn.
Where's the best spot to jump? Is it off the front?
off the front. Do a front flip. Also, you disconnect your water bottle.
Oh yeah, I just noticed that.
Yeah,
That'd be pretty bad. It's
Yeah.
smacking into it.
You guys want to see a front flip?
yeah.
Is it deep here, Connor?
Yeah.
How deep?
Do you believe him?
Feet first.
How sure? How sure you guys?
100%. Love and trust your guys.
Can you talk?
Oh, it's cold.
Cold?
Nah.
Or you want to get right back on?
I'm gonna hang on for a minute.
Oh, it's cold.
It is cold, isn't it? I know.
So,
how to do the Costa Rican?
No, I'm not. I don't know what that is.
Tyler taught you?
No.
So try it one.
What is it? A Costa Rican never tells his secrets. Alright, you guys want to see a backflip?
Sure.
Fine, if you insist.
People are begging.
If you guys insist.
Take your glasses off.
Don't want to lose. These are Dollar Tree exclusive.
Oh, okay. Smart.
Last year I lost like 7 pairs there.
Yeah, that's why the guy.
He's on too?
You got this.
I think so.
Okay. Hope you do. Never done this before.
Whoa, that was with a triple twist. No, double twist.
Close enough?
That was good.
That was a twist.
Hey, hey.
Did you do diving, really? Or you just messing around?
What do you mean?
Like high dive?
Did it look like I did though?
Well, you had a
Yeah.
twist in there. I just thought maybe
I
that
don't
was
think
a,
the twist was intentional.
okay.
It was?
There was a half twist in it.
Alright, right on you.
There we go. Alright, just make sure the front bay is kind of clear.
It's just the water jug there, I think.
Good one.
Well, you gotta hit it now.
Steer us clear of this rock, Abe.
Oh, you-
Give us some push with this thing. I'll hit it again. I was rushing. You guys ready? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's the cooler that's your problem. If the cooler wasn't there, it would have been at 10.
I made it.
But your hair looks great.
I feel like that's sarcastic. I feel like that
No, it's like right, it's just even.
arrow
Right,
going right down the center.
right down the center like Superman.
No, if I had said it, it would be sarcastic.
No, it all came.
Guys, I can tell you one of my most harrowing times on this river actually happened right around here. And it was the same kind of trip. I had a great group. I had this sweet lady on there who was adamant about not swimming. Like, it was a great day to swim, you know. This was like July. It was real warm water. It was kind of warm, you know. Adamant about not doing it. Hey, no problem. You know, I'm not going to make you swim, of course. And we were coming down here, and if you look right forward, you'll see that kind of wave that's backing up on itself a little bit.
Yeah.
Big rock there. At this point, the water was high enough to go over it, go over that rock. And I always liked to joke that I was going to, but then I'd like pull away at the last second. It's a pretty big drop right there. It drops straight off.
Oh, yeah, you can see it now.
This time I was like, kind of getting close, joking about it. And I started to pull away from it, and it wasn't doing anything. And I'm like pulling harder, it just doesn't work. And finally we end up going over it sideways. And as we're going over, this lady is on the side that goes down first. We fall straight into the water. And she's down there for like 5 seconds. I like pop up off the ground.
Like
And
that?
she pops up like right here.
Yeah.
And I'm like back there, so I'm like going. And she's just sitting there chilling. No problem. She's like, oh, you saved my life. I was like, oh my God.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I'll take that.
You got the picture?
Oh, well, this side, still a little wet here. Good grief.
You're just trying to divert us from what's going on. Exactly. Obviously, she survived. She survived?
Yeah.
Okay, otherwise you would not be here.
But she was telling me later, she's like, yeah, I had to kick off the boat. And she was under the boat, apparently, in that thing, because it was kind of like holding us there for a second
Yeah.
in the boat.
Swirling.
I was like, oh my gosh. All right.
That's the disclaimer we signed.
In German, oh my